2019 Chevy Camaro V6. Got factory converters there and there. Then secondary converters. Then it's true dualed into two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. Then we did a resonator delete also, or a rear muffler delete. And did a resonator delete and put MAGNAPACKS in their place. That's what I meant to say. Into his original tips, right there and right there. This is all the stuff that came off of it. There's the mid resonator and the giant muffler in the back. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.